Hi viewers, welcome to Excel Tutorial Hub. In this video, you will learn about the median function in Excel. Median function in Excel calculates the median value from a set of numbers. The median is the middle number in a set of data when it's arranged in ascending order. Let's walk through the function with the help of this table. So here we have a set of data. Let's find the middle number in this set of data. To find out the middle number in this set, we need to type here is equal to, type median, open parenthesis, highlight the range, close parenthesis, and press enter. So you can see that we have found the middle number in this set of data. So that's how we can use the median function in Excel.